Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Venice High-Back Executive Bonded Leather Manager Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with backrest and mechanism attached, a pair of arms, 5-star base, gas strut, 5 casters, 4 36mm bolts, 4 bolt caps, and 1 Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Then take the chair and with the help of another person, lift it onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Next, attach the arms to the seat pad and backrest using the 4 36mm bolts. Once all of the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Lastly, insert the 4 bolt caps over the holes in the arms. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Venice Manager Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.